Hello everyone. In this video I want to show how to make the vinyl decal or sticker in more than one color. In this case sticker will be from the three parts. As you can see, I got already prepared, cut it out all these three parts. So yeah, sometimes it's this color with the more than one color stickers are more expensive, and the reason why is because it takes much longer time to make them. And yeah, some people of course not really valuing them time, but I'll do that. And first what I'm trying to do now is with the knife, or the, I don't know how to call it in English properly, the razor blade, to get the first part off. But yeah, as this part is quite big, it's not gonna work like that. So that's why I'm choosing the application tape, application transfer tape. I'm taking a small bit of application tape, and then we'll one by one I will transfer to the other parts. Make sure that it's coming off nicely, but at the same time don't do the too big pressure, otherwise you won't get the application tape after off when it's the part is connected or stick to the other part where it's supposed to be. So yeah, now pointing, trying to get all in the lines, put them on. And then slowly from the one side trying to remove. In this case again I will take the razor blade to keep them, to more do the pressure to down, to not coming with the application tape. So carefully doing that, and then we'll go for the other part. As you can see, very gently it take off, because I'm already a little bit put that tape too strongly on. It's almost stick properly to the application tapes, which is not really good. But yeah, as you can see, slowly by removing application tape, it stays on the main part of the sticker. There's probably other ways to do that, but this is the way I'm doing. So yeah, I'm not professional, so this is the way I think for me it's much easier. So yeah, one part is on. Of course need to make sure that all parts stick correctly and there's no bubbles left. And now we can go for the third part. But before we go in for the third part, I will, with the fingers actually, I made the plate, yeah, as you see with the fingers little bit, make it more dirty or not that adhesive as it is normally. And then taking the third part off. Of course, always make sure that all the small parts are with the sticker coming off. So And this is the last part that is going on the top of the decal. And the same way, gently taking off with a little, move the pressure down with the razor blade, but make sure you're not damaging, not cutting the other parts of the vinyl as well. Just do the little pressure. And gently removing it. See, it's done. It looks good enough as actually ordered. So on the same way with the rest of the stickers, and after of course covering with the application tape. So thanks for the watching and keep following for next videos.